the ultimate guide to buying, selling, and discovering NFTs. OpenSea is a leading NFT marketplace that allows users to buy, sell, and discover non-fungible tokens. Since its launch in 2018, OpenSea has grown to become the largest NFT marketplace in terms of trading volume and the number of users. In this video, we will discuss the full features of OpenSea and how they work. We will discuss the full features of OpenSea and how they work. What is an NFT? Before we dive into OpenSea's features, it's essential to understand what an NFT is. An NFT is a unique digital asset that represents ownership of a specific digital asset. Unlike fungible tokens like cryptocurrencies, NFTs cannot be exchanged for identical tokens. Each NFT is unique and represents a unique digital asset like a piece of art, music, video, or game item. OpenSea Features. Buying and selling NFTs. OpenSea is an NFT marketplace where users can buy and sell NFTs. Sellers can create a listing for their NFT, set a price, and wait for buyers to purchase it. Buyers can browse through OpenSea's vast collection of NFTs, filter by category, and purchase the ones they like. Discovering NFTs. OpenSea has an extensive collection of NFTs, and users can discover new ones by browsing through the marketplace. Users can filter by categories like art, music, collectibles, virtual worlds, and more. They can also sort by most recently listed NFTs, most expensive, least expensive. Creating NFTs. OpenSea allows creators to create and list their NFTs on the marketplace. Creators can upload their digital assets, set a price, and add a description. They can also choose the type of NFT they want to create, such as a single edition or a limited edition NFT. Wallet integration. OpenSea supports multiple wallets, including MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect, and more. Users can connect their wallets to OpenSea to buy and sell NFTs. The wallet integration also ensures that users have complete control over their NFTs and can transfer them to any other wallet whenever they want. Collections. OpenSea allows creators to create collections of their NFTs. A collection is a group of NFTs with a common theme or style. For example, a digital artist can create a collection of their artwork. Users can browse through collections and discover new NFTs. Bidding. OpenSea allows buyers to bid on NFTs listed on the marketplace. The bidding process is similar to traditional auctions, where buyers can place a bid, and the highest bidder wins the NFT. The bidding process adds an element of competition and excitement to the NFT marketplace. Royalties. OpenSea supports royalties, which means that creators can earn a percentage of the sale price every time their NFT is sold on the marketplace. This feature incentivizes creators to continue creating and listing their NFTs on OpenSea. Trading. OpenSea allows users to trade their NFTs with other users on the marketplace. Trading is an excellent way to acquire new NFTs without spending any money. Conclusion. OpenSea is an excellent platform for buying, selling, and discovering NFTs. The marketplace has a vast collection of NFTs and supports many features like bidding, trading, wallet integration, and more. OpenSea's support for royalties incentivizes creators to continue creating and listing their NFTs on the marketplace. If you're interested in NFTs, OpenSea is a great place to start your journey.